Okay guys, so we almost done with my day today. So let me show you my little collection on 3D tools printer I made. Later I will post in the videos how to use it, but for now let me go quick. So we have this one. We can hold the bucket for our scrubs. That has some magnets, so you can attach it to any surface, so you can hold it and place it. So it's easy to do. Just got some velcros and the 3D printer, and that's all. Okay, so that's one. Now the second one, we can create more stuff like this one. Wait, let me show you this one. This is for my back glasses. Okay, so if I want to do a pickup truck, they take it up. So any Ford, Chevrolet, or any truck you want to do, you can just tape some and other stuff. But if you want to play with this guy, the only you have to do is set up in this direction and just play. This is a different angle, but most of the trucks, they don't have this angle. Toyota always go this way, but most of the time there's straight, and you can choose any position and you can hold the back glasses. Even for these ones, the sedans, you know, the 4-door sedans, what I do, they only have to do is take it off like this one, check any place of the long one, and when you set your back glass, you can just hold it right there, and you can hold the back glass, and even you can use this guy to set up, boop, and put it on. Later I'll post the video. Okay, so this is another one I did in 3D. So we have a couple of tools here, and you can use this GT, the wood cup. So we can use now on this guy. So this is for the back glasses. Okay, this is one. Now the second one, we can use, I color this the roller rope or rope. This is right here. So when you do the windshields, I mean the back glasses, sorry, the windshields with the gaskets, you can use this guy and you can just pull it, put around the glass, and this is a quarter in, so you can use the same like the WRD. Let me show you how. So let me just put this one here like an example. You put that one, and this one make the turn, so you can go around the glass and go inside. And when you got all the cord, this is for the Volvo windshield, so the big trucks, the NB, so that's enough for any windshield. And when you're ready to put it in, so just careful, because remember this, the rope can be inside the tie, and you can put it inside. And that's it, and you can take it off or leave it in the suction cup. Okay, that's the second one. So this is for the back glasses, for the gasket windshield. This is for keep my blades. I call the C blade keeper, so you can put the blades, you know, right here. We did the same retainers inside, so we can take it off and put it on just to keep your blades in place. Now we have another one. This is the rain sensor. We got the scrapers, you know, using a 3D. We have, this is the Rhino clamp. The Rhino clamp is more purposes because when I do I've been moving the cow, the wipers and everything. So what you can do, this is another one, but this is plastic. This is a hard plastic, but this is a 3D. So you can just attach it to the band like this, and you can put everything here. So it's really strong magnet. So you can hold the keys, you can put the cow, I mean the cow plastic, wipers, molding, and it's really strong. Take it off, not this way, it's this way. Okay, so that's why we have the Rhino clamp. So this is my boy Brian, he did it. So the Rhino clamp is for my boy Brian. This is for my other son Anthony. And now we have this one. Well, this one is calling the motor in place. So this guy I will show you for the back glasses. You lose this guy, open it, and you can hold the motors for every back glass. Okay, later I'll post the link to print this one. So the second one, we can make hooks like this for the WRD section cups. You can also sell them because we have a problem with the patent from Belron, but you can just put this one here this way, make a big tubing, go around, set up, and that's it. But you can print it in your own 3D printer, and you don't have to worry about to sell them, because you cannot sell them, but you can make for your setup system. The second one, no, the third one, I think so. Now this one is the cut knife, really easy to build. Just put the retainer inside. You got a blade. You're gonna put a retainer here just to don't get the clip pop out of there, and the blade and handle. Now this one works, but you have to be in the middle, and we're gonna make this guy in one piece with another handle just to go more strong when you're pulling out. Okay, that's another one. Now this guy is a little tricky. Let me show you. I'm using this one for a couple of installs. Tomorrow I'm gonna use it. So when I get my tape inside here, so I put this one in here. So I use my wood cups to set my glass. Okay, so this guy go here, this guy go over here. So when I set the glass here, what I do is I got my tape in this direction. Later I'm gonna show you how to use it. I gotta do a couple of things on this guy still. So when I get the setup like this, when I finish, then I do put the tape. This is a little one, and I put the tape on, pick it up, and we gotta go the next one. So I'm gonna make another one, so I'm gonna have two on the corners. So when I finish putting on, put the tape, you don't have to carry the tapes on your hand. Alright, so this is another tool I'm making. Later I post the link so you can print it. And this is the rain sensor. So this guy is different one. So this guy is gonna do is for your rain sensors. Okay, so first we have to do is put these tips inside here. Alright, right there. Just put it inside the hole. Okay, let me 1 second. Okay, this glove doesn't let me work. Hold on. I hate these gloves. Can do nothing with these guys. Okay, so I think this is the other side. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is put the first tip right there. There's one tip. The second tip. And the third one. So when you have the third one right here, so the only you have to do is put the guy here, and you're going to put it in a place right there, and just make a little turn, lock it, and that's it. You're going to do is put the rain sensor inside here, under here, and this one you're going to adjust the height when those rain sensors don't want to stay straight. This is for the higher or the lower, and you can adjust with the knobs. Okay, and that's all. So this is my collection of 3D printer tools. Later I will post the links. You can print it in your home if you want. Just buy it your 3D printer, and that's all. Okay guys, so thank you so much. So later I post more details of this 3D, and I continue to make more and more tools, and I will share with you guys. You can print it, you can just play with these guys. Okay, thank you so much guys. Have a good weekend. We finish, and see you next time. Okay, thanks so much.